Hello guys and welcome to another video. So let's get started. Since 1885, the first car was invented by the Carl Benz. Yes guys, this car was made to reduce the human efforts. At the time, the car had a top speed of 16 km per hour. From then till now, convincing features, luxury feelings, features, MID, automatic transmission. Yes, that's the point today. So we are going to talk about transmission. Since early years, manual transmission was available. Now, manual is also available and automatic also. The cars below 30 lakhs can get a manual option with automatic option also. Those who like manual can take a manual. Those who like automatic can take an automatic. But the cars such as Audi, BMW, Benz and many cars are there are not providing. So these are the luxury cars, isn't it? We are paying so much high money for an automatic car. So let's get started. Yes. In this today's video, we are going to ask them why they are manual cars, who love to operate a manual car instead of an automatic cars. Automatic cars is meant for convenience. It is for relaxation. Just put into the drive mode and press the accelerator, the car will go. You can relax your left leg and your left hand also. Yes. So in this today's video, we are going to call Audi, BMW to know whether why they are not providing a manual option. So let's get started. Yes guys, so we are going to call Audi. It is first. So let's get started.
Thank you for calling Audi India. Please select an option to help us direct your call to a representative. For any sales-related information and offers, press 1. For any after-sales queries, press 2.
Yes, I just want to ask whether any of your car have a manual transmission. So guys, we have just called the Audi and they are saying that they will connect to it to Trivandrum. So let's see what happens.
Hello?
The customer delight manager is there on the line.
Okay. Okay.
Hello?
Hello, is this Audi showroom? Hello, is this Audi showroom?
I am Sujit, sir.
Yes, I just want to ask you a question.
Yeah?
Whether any of your Audi cars are providing a manual transmission?
No, access number 2.
No.
There is no manual transmission provision for us.
May I know what is the reason for it?
Actually, we are providing to German car now. In
Okay.
the German car, that's only the 4 series. Earlier we provide manual transmission. But nowadays, because of maybe it will be considered queries also, they won't prefer the manual transmission for this car, premium segment.
Okay.
Maybe because of that, the manufacturers are not providing any manual transmission cars here.
Okay, maybe because of the luxury feeling that you are giving, isn't it?
Maybe because of that reason. Earlier, in 2008 and 2009, there was a provision for customization. We can also go to the automatic as well as manual, but there is no option nowadays.
Okay, so at that time we can customize that we want a manual car, isn't it?
Yeah, customization. Yeah.
So now is it not available?
Now there is no provision in India as of now.
Okay.
Then we have to check whether any provision is availability in some request to Audi APS.
So if a customer wants a manual car, you may not provide it, isn't it? You may not be available.
We can't support. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
There is.
Okay, thank you. So yes guys, we have called the Audi right now and they are saying that they are not providing any kind of manual cars. Yes, but I think they have told that in 2008 and 2009 they were providing a manual car. If the customer wants it, they can customize it. But now is it not available? Yes guys, so if you want a manual car, you can't go for Audi. Guys, we are going to call BMW.
Kindly press 1 for roadside assistance, 2 for product-related queries, 3 for financial services,
Yes, yes, I just want to ask you a question. Whether any of your BMW cars are providing a manual transmission?
I'm sorry, if you can tell me, any of the BMW car?
Are giving a manual transmission?
No, sir.
No. May I know what is the reason behind it?
As the management as well as the plant, and all the things that was automatic.
Okay. So, if the customer wants to customize it, will you give it in a manual transmission?
So, sir, if you can commented my question, after inspecting the vehicle, whether there is actually supporting the manufacturer or not. Now, whether it's an answer in my knowledge, providing the solution and the convert the automatic transmission vehicle to a manual transmission.
Okay. Thank you. So guys, we have just called the BMW. They are saying that they also don't have a manual transmission as an option, and if the customer wants to customize it, no chance. So guys, see you on the next vlog. In the next vlog, it will be the part 2, and we will be calling Aston Martin, Porsche and Jaguar. So it is going to be an interesting vlog. So please watch it and do subscribe and smash that like button. Okay, see you. Bye.